Oh, little doodle bug Baja baby. Man, I've always wanted one of these. And I ain't shitting you. We are going to build this thing. All right, got the fenders taken off, chain guard taken off. Might get that chain taken off, and then get all the cable stuff off of it. Pull that motor, take it to the car wash, spray her all down, and then we'll see what's next. Oh yeah, episode 1 of the Doodle Bug mini bike build. So we're gonna name this project Harbor Davidson, because you know we're running one of them good old Predator 212s in her, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm just gonna get right at it, start putting her back together. I'm still waiting on a motor plate and some odds and ends, so I think video 1 is just gonna get her going and put her together, and then the next video will probably be the start up and run and rip, or whatever you want to call it. And the ground in the background is a different color. We'll talk about that later. Oh yeah, baby. Tires are on. Took me about 20 minutes to figure out how to do that, but we're gonna get the other one on. Seat, kickstand. Hopefully wait for that motor plate to get here today. Ooh. She's looking good. All we gotta do is get that kickstand on and pretty much wait for the rest of the stuff. Well, I kinda am terrible at filming, but motor plate came yesterday. Got the motor plate on, got the motor mocked up. Still gotta pull the motor out, take the governor out, do all that good jazz, but I'm gonna try to get some more videos out for you guys. So thanks for watching the part 1. Small, sweet. Next video will be on the new Grom. Stay tuned for that. That should be pretty fun. Yeah.